शिवोले बामणवाड्यार एका घराक बुधवारा राती उजो लागलो. म्हापशेच्यान फायर ब्रिगेड ये मेरेन घराचे 2 रुमांतलें सामान पुराय लासून काबार जालें. राती सुमार 10 वरांचेर घडणूक घडली. शॉर्ट सर्किट जावन उजो लागलो अशें फायर ब्रिगेडीचे अधिकारी सांगतात. घरांतले लोक म्हणटात भांगर आनी हेर मालवस धरून सुमार 38 लाखांची मालमत्ता काबार जाली. फायर ब्रिगेड 10 लाखांचें लुकसाण जालां म्हणपाचो दुबाव उक्तायता.
All the things totally destroyed. Like you can see, both the cupboards you can see inside, which is there. All the house property document, gold ornaments, and clothes, and all the things, utensils, then property papers, everything totally destroyed.
So
Gold we can say worth around 28 lakhs worth. And the house you can already see the house already destroyed around. You can say 8 lakhs damage to house property, house, building, structure. Then around 2 lakhs you can say about the other things, which are the copper things, aluminium, copper things, utensils. Because they were all busy watching TV, and suddenly like they're watching serial. She went to collect the mobile. That time she saw that the fire is going on. And automatically the lights went off.
कळंगुटे पुलिसांनी धाड घालून शिनळकी वेवसायांतल्या दोग दलालांक अटक केली. एके चलयेक तांच्या ताब्यांतल्यान सोडयल्या. तिका मेरशे अपनाघरांत धाडल्या. अटक केल्या ते दोगूय मध्य प्रदेशांतले. एकल्याचें नांव समीर खान, वय 27, दुसरो मोहम्मद आकिब. राती सुमार 12:30 वरांचेर कळंगूट चर्चिलागसार एका गाडयेंतल्यान तांकां पुलिसांनी धरले.
Based on specific and reliable information, I along with my staff apprehended a Sandro vehicle near Kalangut Church Circle and caught red-handed 2 accused persons, namely Samir Khan and Mohammad Akib, both native of Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. We also found a 25-year-old victim girl who was procured by them for the purpose of prostitution and was brought to be delivered to a customer at Kalangut. We have arrested both these accused persons under section 4, 5 and 7 of Immoral Traffic Prevention Act. We have already got the order from STM to admit the girl in protective home premises.
मायण कुडतरे जाल्ल्या एका अपघातांत भलतोच मनीस मदीं पडलो. पुलिशेक गाळी मारली आनी अटक जातली म्हूण कळटकीत फुज्यो काडल्यो. ताचें नांव लेस्टर फेर्नांडीस. ताका पळोवन थंयचे लोक सामके चाळवले. लोकूच पुलिशेच्या आदाराक धांवन आयले. पुलीस लेस्टराक अटक करी मेरेन तिडकल्ल्या लोकांनी लेस्टराच्या घरा भायर जमाव केलो आनी येरादारी आडायली.
Okay, there was nothing wrong. Okay, there was an accident happened, right? I was begging with people to let the traffic go. Okay, I was begging with people let the traffic go. The traffic was going good. All of a sudden, his mother started abusing people. You know, and the boys, the youngsters, they're ready to fight with them. I asked him, this guy comes from nowhere. And you know what he said the first thing? Only because he takes the law in your hand, abusing the public officers. Who the hell gave him the authority?
Second time. आमगे मायना हांडी उरतात देन आनी देव
मागीर लोकांक रोड ब्लॉक केलो. ताका इमिडिएट अरेस्ट करचे म्हणून, कित्याक पुलिशे तेणी ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन केला ड्युटी आनी पुलिशे मारपाक गेलो तो. पुलिशे गाडी मारली. मागीर इमिडिएटली आमी अदर एडिशनल फोर्स वचून ताका अरेस्ट केले आनी आतां लोकोवपाक.
Section
सेक्शन ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिंग गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट while discharging lawful duty, 353 लायला.
आतां घेवया एक वेवसायीक विसव.